Creating custom payloads. The payloads of well-known frameworks such as Metasploit are easily recognized by the security systems. The best way to avoid this is to create your own payload. There are open source and free tools to create your own malware and payloads such as Veil, Avoid with a 0 instead of an O, Syringe, Fat Rat, and Empire. Now you will see how to create a custom payload using Veil framework. First, let's install it to our Kali machine. If we Google as Veil Evasion, the first link will be the GitHub page of Veil Evasion. This page redirects us to the GitHub page of Veil 3.0. In the README part of the page, we see the quick installation guide. We simply follow the steps of this installation guide. Install Git if it's not already installed. Create the clone of the Veil 3.0 project. Go to Veil folder. Under the setup folder, run setup.sh script with the -c parameter. And this will take a few minutes. In this period, some install wizards are opened. Don't worry, they're all next finish wizards.